Hi, Kinjal and Parul is here at Reflection Gallery. It's a 2-day exhibition, today and tomorrow. Collection में उनके पास बहुत सारे types के चनिया चोली है. They have blouses, dupattas, some German silver jewelry, some handmade jewelry, beautiful dresses for Rakhi as well. Collection में और क्या क्या है देखने के लिए swipe. Something in pretty designs. Look at that. These are organza material. Beautiful color options मिल जाएंगे आपको with beautiful blouses, dupatta. Look at that. Pretty colors, beautiful colors. Wow. And I can see कि इनमें दो blouses हैं. So one is a spaghetti blouse, one is a normal blouse. Beautiful. All the colors are very beautiful, very vibrant. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow. Something in violet. Something in this peachy shade. Beautiful. Something other than Navratri collection. This you can use for your wedding occasions also, for some festivities also. These are beautiful blouses with lehengas and dupatta. Look at that. Again, इसमें भी इनके पास beautiful bright colors हैं. So not just for Navratri, but also for occasion wear, festive wear, wedding wear. For all the girls out there, you know, you can get these for your trousseaux. Beautiful. Each color is just getting beautiful and beautiful. Hi. Beautiful. Just look at that. Wow. If you want something this unique, you have to come to Reflection, the display space. This is brand RK Jewels, and look at the beautiful collection they have brought. Long में उनके पास options हैं. They have some beautiful statement rings, some beautiful bangles, some unique kadas, something in antique. Beautiful. They also have something like this, statement pieces, all beautiful. Look at that. कुछ ऐसा भी है. And there are a lot of options for earrings. Beautiful earrings. A lot of options for blouses, trendy, unique blouses. Look at them. Beautiful back detailing. Look at that with unique colors. Something in spaghettis also. Look at that. Beautiful blouses, corset style. So a lot of trendy options. Something like that in Bharat work. Look at all the options that they have. Beautiful. This is brand Hamper House, and they have come up with unique things. These are all handmade bangles. These are for children. They have some more options for phone covers. Then they also customize something cute like this with a cap and sunglasses. Something more cute for children. Look at that, the bow. Everything is handmade, very beautifully customized. Beautiful. These are hair clips that you can use for Navratri. Beautiful. And then they also have this rubber band that has these pleated. Beautiful. Look at all the collection that they have. This is all handmade and all can be customized. Other than Navratri, if you're looking for some occasion wear, these are the right options for you. They have beautiful color options, very vibrant, very pretty. It's a set dupatta, blouse and the ghagra along with it. Look at the color options that they're offering. Beautiful, all unique pieces, all beautiful pieces, very, very vibrant. Look at that. I think the colors are just not ending. Raksha Bandhan and gifting matter, Southie best options. Look at the pretty dress that ma'am is carrying. This is brand The Threads, and they have come up with lovely anarkalis with a lot of kalis in them, with pants Beautiful detailings, beautiful color, all perfect for your festivities, small functions. Look at the beautiful colors that they have curated the dresses with just minimal detailing, yet it looks very rich, very royal, very classy. बहुत सारे color options भी हैं उनके पास. If you don't want the work, then they have something in plain also. This one is with dupatta, beautiful ivory color, very rich. Thank you, ma'am. This is brand Seneca and they have come up with beautiful anti-tarnish jewelry. A lot of options for bracelets, something that you can wear with your everyday routine, something in rings, beautiful collection, cute and quirky necklaces. Look at that. Everything is very beautiful. All of them are anti-tarnish. You just have to be careful with your perfumes. Some earrings as well. Beautiful.